Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a small unit house using 9 dots. You can see here. Let's connect the dots. In the bottom, we connect it. Also, we connect here. All right. Let's connect these two. Okay. We draw another line parallel to that one here. Another line we can draw here in this place. Okay. On top of it, we draw another parallel line here. All right, so we can draw the angular lines here. These lines are inclined. This is also inclined. This will be used as a rooftop in the drawing. Then you can draw inclined line here. Then we connect lines here along this line. All right, let's draw another one here. And along this line, let's draw another vertical line. We extend this a little bit, and the vertical line we draw here. Okay. All right. The connection for online signal. We draw a line here. All right. For window, we can draw two lines here. Today we are drawing all the lines using the scales. Okay. Let's draw a door here. Connect it. All right. This is the curtain. Let's draw a line parallel to this one, and another line parallel to this one. All right, we can connect these two lines and draw an angular line here, another angular line here. For window, we can draw the grills here like this. Mm-hmm. These are the grills. We can see the grills. All right. Let's make the rooftop darker. This one will be darker. Also this one will be darker. These are the railings on the roof. Let's darker this line, also this segment. This is the lines for TV network. Let's make this line darker. We put a little shades here and here. This part we can draw few shades. Also for this part. Also for this part. Let's make the window little darker. Also this one. And the door. All right. So this is a small scale house. A small window we can put here too. All right. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Have a good day.